Whoa, guys, I'm here fitting a front and rear dash cam to this BMW X5 Beast. This is a 2020 model. Alright, now BMWs have a problem where the fuse box is in the back and the fuse box in the front, but there's never an ignition feed at the front, or it's very difficult to find. So in this case, I couldn't be bothered to try and search. I just brought the wires back here. Now a hardwire kit usually isn't long enough, so I'm going to have to extend these wires a little bit to get to the fuse box down here. But it's not a big deal, it's minor. That's the dash cam that's hanging off in the front there, and this is the wire for the rear dash cam. So I'm nearly there. I'm just going to do some wiring now, and after that, good to go. This is the rear camera here, and I'm fitting the Van True element 3, bro. Okay, it's got one of these, like a button that you can instantly snatch. Yeah, quick release button basically, and a polarizer, hardwire kit connections, USB tape, and customer supplied some Diet Coke. I like Coke, but you know, can just like clear my throat with that every now and then. Alright, cool. Guys, it's the X5 2020 model, and I've just fitted a Van True, what's it call it? Let's call it an element 3 front and rear dash cam. That's the interior of the car, absolutely beautiful. I left this door open, have a look at that. Oh yes, good. This is the front dash cam here, and that's the wiring. That's all you can see. Yeah, all the rest of the wiring is completely hidden. There's nothing to see at all. So get in touch if you need a dash cam installed on your BMW X5.